How to fix the CapCut export not working problem. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're having this problem, first and foremost, make sure that your device has enough storage. Since export takes a lot of storage, sometimes the storage problem could create this issue. However, if it's not the case, let's move on to next solution. For this, open and launch your CapCut application. There is a setting icon which is present on the top right corner. Tap on it and it should take you to another page. Scroll down until you find Clear Cache, tap on it and then tap on Clear Cache. Confirm. This might take a while, so wait until this is done so that you can relaunch your application and check if the issue persists or not. However, if it still persists, let's move on to another solution. For this, go back to your home page and then you'll have to open settings on your device. Once that is done, click on the search bar and type in developer options. Once you find it on the search bar, tap on it. Here are two options that you need to toggle on. The first one is allow overlay and second is allow crash reports. So search for it by scrolling and then toggle on both of the options. Once this is done, we have to now work on graphics. So for this, again you have to tap in the search icon which is on the top right corner and this time type in graphics. Once you open graphic driver preferences option, it will take you to another page. Tap on graphics driver preferences and select CapCut. From here, you have to now select default for once and relaunch the app and try to export, which should probably fix the issue. This is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.